Hey, future teachers.
And this is why you should join us
At the Bachelor of Education program
at St. Mary's University.
Welcome to the Education program at St. Mary's. Hear directly from our students and faculty about why St. Mary's is one of the most talked about universities for aspiring educators.
My name is Aria. I am graduating from the B.Ed program at St. Mary's. I chose St. Mary's because it has such a great reputation amongst teachers that I've talked to. The teachers that come out of this program are really well prepared. They're seen as really well educated, and so I knew that it would be a good program. My favorite part about St. Mary's is that you move through the program with a cohort. So I've met some really great friends. The people that you start the program with, you move through the entire thing and you graduate with. I've made some really great connections and learned so much from my peers. I loved all my practicum experiences at St. Mary's, even the ones that I had to put in a lot of hard work. I got to make great connections with my cooperating teachers and just learn so much about the profession, about teaching, by being in the classroom and working with kids. I think that being able to work with cooperating teachers and learn from them and learn from the students too, it was such a great opportunity. So my advice to you, if you're thinking about coming to St. Mary's, is to just dive in. If you just put your heart into it, you get out what you put in.
Hi, I'm Angelica, and I'm a second year student here at St. Mary's University in the Bachelor of Education. So like Aria was saying, we are separated into 4 cohorts, and essentially the people that you start the program with are the same people that you kind of travel through your education process with. And it's so fun. Like, you get to know all of your classmates really well and your teachers. And you get to form really awesome relationships with them. From there, you kind of go into your practicum. Essentially, you start out observing and then you gradually get into teaching, and you get to be so hands-on with all of the students. You have a cooperating teacher that's there to help you out, a practicum advisor that's kind of there to give you advice for all of the things, and it's unbelievably fun. The experience that you have is unmatched. I think my favorite part of being in practicum was being able to watch students go and achieve their aha moment. You know, a student doesn't really know too much, and you as the teacher is helping them to kind of get there. And I think St. Mary's did a great job of preparing me for my practicum. All of the teachers, if I ever had a question, they were always willing to answer, and they gave you all the materials you needed to excel in whatever it is that you were teaching.
Now, hear from our esteemed professors and staff about what sets St. Mary's apart from traditional universities and supports students throughout their educational journey.
Hi, I'm Dr. Corey Wright-Maley. I'm a professor of education here at St. Mary's University. I am thrilled to present to you our education program, which has been built consciously around blending theory and practice to make sure that you are the best teacher that you can be. And we have a long tradition of graduating students who are eagerly snapped up by all of our partnering districts. And it's no coincidence that our teachers frequently are on the finalist lists of Edwin Parr Award, which is the award for the best new teachers in Alberta. One of the things I love about my job here is that I get to know every student by name. They're not a number, and I get to see them in multiple semesters. Those relationships are really important, I think, to students, but they're also really important to me and the other professors. One of the questions we're frequently asked is, do I need to be Catholic to come to St. Mary's? And the answer is no. We welcome everybody. And in fact, about half of our students are graduates who are not Catholic, and they are snapped up by the CBE and other public districts because we do such a great job preparing them. So we look forward to welcoming you to the St. Mary's Bachelor of Education program.
I'm Dr. Erin Reed, and I'm an assistant professor in the Faculty of Education. St. Mary's is really an amazing place for building relationships. I think first and foremost, that's really stands out about St. Mary's. Particularly in the Faculty of Education, we use a cohort model, and that enables students to really build very close relationships with one another. And that really, I think, highlights and improves so many things, and it certainly allows us as professors to engage a lot more with our students one-on-one. And because we are a close-knit team, then we can really help each other out as faculty members too. It's like a family feel, I would say. The relationships are between faculty, they're between faculty and students, they're between students and students. It really is a place where students can flourish. You're not just coming here to learn a bunch of information, which you're going to do, and you're going to do that with experts, but you're going to do a lot more. You're going to build some real relationships that will last for life. So I really welcome you to St. Mary's.
I'm Deanne Barrett. I'm the Director of Practicum here at St. Mary's University. We are gift wrapping and putting a bow on a practicum placement for you. We have so many incredible mentors out in the field, and they love having St. Mary's students as pre-service teachers in the classroom because we have such a strong reputation of having students who are prepared. So even though we're a small university, we do things with great heart and great intention. For those of you who love to travel, we have an international practica option. Every year we send students to places like Mexico, Taiwan, or the amazing Northern British Columbia region. If you want to have a different classroom experience, work with a different group of students, work with a different curriculum to give you a breadth of skills in our program. The St. Mary's University community is so excited about the Woitas Center, which is a hub of resources for in-service teachers and pre-service teachers as we learn together about how to manage the complexity of learners that are in Alberta classrooms. We have lots of events happening through the Woitas Center for Inclusive Education, so be sure to check out the St. Mary's website for more events. If you feel a call in your heart to work with children or youth, you belong here.
You belong here.
You belong here.
Thanks for joining us on showcasing our incredible education program here at St. Mary's University. For more information, please visit our website at www.stmu.ca or email us at info@stmu.ca. Welcome to St. Mary's University.